Hello to all employers in Romania. I am Josefina Balogo, 47 years old. I am single mom. I have only one daughter. I am undergraduate of Bachelor of Science in Computer Science, major in programming. My first experience was in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia from 2004 to 2014. I served 4 members in the family, 2 adults and 2 kids. My main duties and responsibilities are taking care of kids and also doing all the household chores inside the home. My second experience was in Macau from 2017 to 2022. I served 5 members in the family, 2 adults and 2 kids, and a 30 years old sister of my employer. My main duties and responsibilities are cooking different kind of cuisine and also doing all the household chores inside the house and also scheduling of changing mattresses, curtains, and window cleaning. My third experience was in Mongolia. I served from 2020-22 to 2020-24. I served 4 members in the family, 2 adults and 2 kids. My main duties and responsibilities are taking care of kids and also doing all the household chores inside the house, like changing the mattresses, upholstery steam cleaning, window cleaning, vacuuming, laundry, iron, and taking care of pets, 1 dog and 1 cat. To my future employer, if you hired me as your family nanny, as an helper, I will assure you I am not only being hard worker, patient, trustworthy, and loving to your children. I will also assure you that all your rules and regulations I must follow inside your home. And I hope to see you soon. I'm very happy to join to your family. And thank you for your time. Have a nice day and God bless. Bye-bye.